voices in my head, but ain't nobody here. I'm seeing pictures move, but I'm the only one here. Sit back and pay attention to this picture that I'm about to unveil. I'm about to keep it real. I carry a heavy load, I got a heavy load. And every time I move fast, you gotta move slow. Because I'm higher than you, man. You try to catch up to me, nigga, you know I be the truth, man. Gonna test the cylinder roof, man. They can't come up here, it's too hot for them. If they come up here, they might fall off and cry too. That's why I stay on my lonely, I never ride with them. That's why I keep that tool on my waistline, that chrome 9. If you niggas try to disrespect, your face mines. I told you niggas time after time. Ever cross this line, or your ass will be mine. Cause I don't know what I'm running from. Cause I don't know why. Cause I don't know what I'm running from. I don't know why. I don't know what I'm running from. Cause I don't know why. Cause I don't know what I'm running from. Cause I don't know why.
I know exactly what I'm running from. Them demons in my head, the one that told me how to pass ass dead, yo. So I beat them with the bat, then I ran them over with the axe. Niggas that seen me wonder why I had to act like that. I heard voices, sometimes I'm like, damn. Yo, I try not to let them control me. I'm a grown man now, and yes, I'm worthy, yo, of my own plan. I got my own mind. I do what I wanna do, and I keep it true. I'm still a gangster. Don't think just cause I'm calmed down, a nigga like me won't hurt you, yo. If you fuck with my family, money, or my boo, then I would kill you. If you fuck with my family, money, or my boo, then I would kill you.
Cause I don't know what I'm running from. Cause I don't